चलो
Okay, okay, ma'am.
स्टार्ट योर स्टोरी.
Okay. Good afternoon, all of you, respected ma'am and all my dear friends. Today I'm going to narrate a story. Okay. So, in a village, so two children living with his grandmother. One name is Preeti, and one name is Rohit. Both are brother and sister. Living with her grandmother in a village. The village name is Ulapur, and uh,
Are you telling the story of the postmaster?
no, ma'am.
Okay.
It's
He's making his own.
yes, no, I'm making my own story,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
With the help of my views.
So, ma'am, so two children living with his grandmother in a village named Ulapur, and both are Priya and Rohit are studying in the same schools in same classes, and in schools there are going to be a competition playing guitar, and Rohit is well in to play guitar, but there is a competition in schools, but Rohit is not going to participate. He told to her sister that I am not going to participate in my competition, and the Priya, who is her sister, he run after her grandmother and said that Rohit is not going to take the participant in the guitar competition, and she came to Rohit and told, why are you not going to take the participant in the competition? Then he told that not I don't want to take participant. Then her grandmother told, why, what's the problem? I heard that you are playing well in guitar. I heard with another person also. Then then Rohit told, yes, you have heard this like this. Then his grandmother told, yes, I heard that you are playing guitar so well. Then what is the problem that you are not participating in the competition? Then then her grandmother told that I want to narrate you a story. Listen carefully what I am going to tell. Then both his brother, his grandson and daughter are listening carefully. Then he told that two friends living with together in a village. One name is Zach and uh, one name is Sonu. Two friends living in a village. Both are playing together. Both are eating together. Everything, whatever, both both of them are doing together. And one day he gone outside in a garden to play football, and both Sonu, the age of Sonu is 5 years old, and Jack age is 20 years old, 10 years old. And there is a difference between 5 years. He went outside of the village to play football, and what happened when they are playing football, and there is a inside beside the garden there is one well, and simply playing when he was playing, and they were wandering here and either they were wandering around the um, that garden. And what happened that time, the Sonu, who is 5 years old, and Jack, who is 10 years old. Jack went to the when he Jack is wandering in the well. He went that side, and when he is looking into the well, he fell down in the well, and they are scrolling, help me, help me, help me, but nobody was there to help. Nobody was there to help. And then only one boy, his friend, are there to help Sonu. Sonu came there and looking into the well that his friend that his friend fell into the well, but because he was too weak and too small, his age is only 5 years, and who has fell in the well, his age is 10 years. Then he was unable to pull up his friend to take come out. And after that, there was nobody to help him. Then he started he has taken idea in beside of that well, there is a one bucket tied to a rope, and he take it that bucket and thrown to the well, and he started pulling and pulling and pulling. He was too weak. After all that, he started pulling, and finally they took out his friend. And they both of them are very happy, and running uh, they started running into the village, and uh, they went in the village, and they both of them are told that story that like this happened with us. And in the village, nobody was able to believe that a 5 years old boy cannot took out from the well 10 years old boy, because he was too weak and too small. How can they took out from the well? So then what happened? There is a one uh, there is a one old man whose name is Peter uncle. Then Peter uncle believed them that it is true. Then all the villagers are saying, how it is true that you are saying, how this can be happen? Then the Peter uncle says that the boy already told you that these all things happen. Then the villager said, I can't believe it. Then after all the things that he told, and he believed, because Peter uncle was so old and experienced, so he believed in the about that children, what happened, what accident had happened in that time. He believed. And then finally the Peter uncle told to the villager that, oh, this is true story, because that the boy is saying it is true, because when the boy so when the Jack fell into the well and Sonu pulled up, because there was nobody to tell the Sonu that you can't do it. There was nobody to Sonu that you can't do it, except even he himself, because if anyone is know that you have to say that you can't do it, then you can do it. That if anyone says that you can't do it, it means that you seems that I can't do it. So in life, there is same happening. So whatever you are doing in life, think that I can do it. I can do it. Thank you. This is a interesting story that I have told you. That's all, ma'am.
मैम आप म्यूट पर हैं.
Yeah, Vipin, if your camera is on, I would like to speak to you. And जो हम बता रहे हैं वो सबके लिए है. Good energy level, good presentation, but there were a lot of grammatical errors. Like किसी नाम के आगे द नहीं लगता है. द जैक आपने कहा, कई बार आपने यूज किया नाउन के आगे, proper noun के आगे you use the word the article the. And there are a lot of, when you're talking about present tense, how does past tense come here? Subject verb should agree. Be very careful of your grammar. Otherwise, I will give you good marks because your energy level was good, and for confidence, you will get another 2 marks for participating, being able to initiate and speaking. Otherwise, keep this up. And what was this activity, Rohit? If you are coordinating it, was it a storytelling, or was it is today activity based on storytelling? You are the coordinator. You should have told me what is the event about. Storytelling है, या बॉडी लैंग्वेज है या स्पीच है या डिबेट है, क्या है? व्हाट वाज दिस एक्टिविटी? रोहित,
Ma'am, I'm going to share a speech on the topic of body language.
ओके, तो ये तुम्हारा था स्टोरी टेलिंग का. आर यू विपिन, आर यू कोऑर्डिनेटिंग स्टोरी टेलिंग? देन यू आस्क अदर पीपल आल्सो टू अ फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स टू टेल एनी स्टोरी. तो आप कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं स्टोरी टेलिंग, ठीक है? तो आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स में से, क्लासमेट में से किसी को बोलिए, और भी एक दो लोगों को बोलिए कि स्टोरी टेलिंग बोलने के लिए. और जब तक वो प्रिपेयर करते हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क रोहित टू शेयर हिज व्यूज ऑन बॉडी लैंग्वेज. जस्ट स्टार्ट.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, thank you, ma'am, for giving me the golden opportunity to speak something on the topic of
Very good. Yeah.
body language. And good afternoon, everyone, and ma'am. I'm going to talk about what is body language and how can help it in our life, and how to help the body language to get successful in our life. Then what is a body language? Body language is type of communication, non-verbal communication in which physical behavior as opposed to word used to express or convey the information. As we know that the body language is the most important things if we want to express something, and body language is the unspoken element of communication that we use to reveal our true feelings and emotions. It is the relaxed facial expression that breaks out into a genuine smile. It can be tilt of head. That so you are listening, sitting.
All right, Rohit, what does it mean by tilt of head? Tilting का मतलब बताइए हमको आप.
जब ये हेड पे ना, जब हम लोग मतलब बहुत ज्यादा खुशी में आते तो यहाँ पे ना ये मुड़ जाता है ऐसे करके, तो
वो टिल्ट ऑफ हेड होता है. वो
Yes, ma'am.
उसको तुम जो बोलते हो टेंशन में आते हैं, तो ये आईब्रोज के पास जो है लाइंस हो जाता है, दैट इज आईब्रोज निटेड हो जाता है, निटिंग ऑफ आईब्रोज. आपने यूज किया द वर्ड टिल्टिंग. टिल्टिंग का मतलब होता है
tilt of the head.
हेड को पीछे या आगे टिल्ट करना, जैसे टिल्टिंग हेड. दिस इज द बॉडी लैंग्वेज.
Okay, ma'am.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप हमको बोलेंगे, अगर इफ यू आस्क मी दैट मैम कैन वी लीव द क्लास, तो आई विल से this is tilting the head, right? Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Know the vocabulary before, learn it before making a speech, because I can honor you in any word. Yes,
Okay.
continue.
The science of body language, you have probably heard the statistics that only 7% of message is conveyed through the words, and the 38% message is conveyed through the
Is
tone.
conveyed through body language. Yeah, come on.
And the 30% message is conveyed through the tone of voice, but the balance 55% message is conveyed through our body language.
All right, Rohit, what do you mean by tone of voice? What does it mean?
मतलब बात करने की आपकी तरीका क्या है, किस तरीके से आप बात कर.
The rising and the falling
voice
of
क्या
your tone, the rising or the falling tone, the soft tone, the loud tone.
Yes, ma'am.
आपका voice का tone क्या है? Supposing your father is very angry with you, how will he call you?
I've called him the angry.
नहीं.
He's angry.
Supposing he is angry, तो तुम्हारा नाम वो कैसे पुकारेंगे? तुमको कैसे पुकारेंगे?
It's very loudly.
हाँ, बताओ कैसे? How will you know that he is angry?
Yes, ma'am.
उनके टोन से. तो
Yes,
बोला,
ma'am.
बताओ कि वो गुस्सा होते हैं तो कैसे बुलाते हैं?
He called me in an angry mood.
हाँ तो
It's
बताइए.
loudly, very loudly.
Like बोलो.
Hey, Rohit.
Oh, hey Rohit. Oh, hi Rohit. How are you?
Hi,
Hey,
Rohit. Or definitely not.
No, Rohit. Right?
What are you doing?
The rising and the falling of the voice is called the tone,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
carries all the emotions. Through the tone, you can understand whether The person is angry with you or happy with you or
Happy with-
nervous.
Normal.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Continue.
So according to me and all, the body language is more important than tone of voice and the choice of words. When communicating true feelings, but it is not applicable in all cases. Some situation like this is often complicated by feeling of nervousness, stress, or even angry. And though we may try to hide them, but these emotions show through in our body language.
Be formal. You are being
Someone
recorded.
exhibiting one or more of the following behaviors, they will likely be disengaged, disinterested, or unhappy. First, arm folded in front of you. Minimal or tense facial expression, body turned away from you. Eyes down out, maintaining little contact.
Mhm.
That's why we can say that body language plays a big role in institution, as it gives us message about the other person that we can interpret at an institution level.
Mhm.
Maybe that's why it is said that action speaks louder than word. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you, ma'am.
All right,
Okay.
Rohit, since yours was knowledge sharing, have you asked a couple of students to share knowledge? Like since you are coordinating knowledge sharing, आपको कुछ लोगों को encourage करना होगा कि वो लोग भी knowledge sharing करें. आपका body language था, बाकी 2-3 बच्चों को तैयार आपने करना है कि वो क्या knowledge sharing करें. And Bipin, could you find anybody for storytelling?
Ma'am, I told, but no one is ready for the storytelling.
ठीक है, आप हमको बताइए ना किसको बोले, हमको खड़ा करते हैं.
Ma'am, Sonu.
Who is Sonu?
Yes, ma'am.
सोनू कौन है? कैमरा ऑन करो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, पहले तो इनको इनकी क्लास लेने दीजिए. आपको जब कहा गया है विपिन इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग स्टोरी टेलिंग, when he told you to tell a story, why did you decline? Now you tell me.
No, tell a story, Sonu.
Yes, it can be any story which you have read.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
First of all,
And-
thank you.
Nobody will say no in this class. किसी भी कोऑर्डिनेटर को नो नहीं बोलेगा. कोई नो ही बोलेगा. हमको आप बताइए. Yes, start.
First of all, thank you, ma'am. Today I'm going to speak on my favorite day, Sunday. My favorite day is Sunday
नहीं,
because
आप
it's
ये
a holy.
स्टोरी टेलिंग, इट इज अ स्टोरी टेलिंग. नो, वो कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा है
No.
स्टोरी टेलिंग.
मैम स्पीच रेडी किया है अपने से.
तो क्या राज वर्मा ने आपको कोऑर्डिनेट करवाया है, कोऑर्डिनेट किया है इसको स्पीच के लिए?
वो राज वर्मा की क्लास के नहीं है.
मैम
Is it-
बीसीए.
It belongs from BC.
ओ तो क्या हुआ? आपका कंबाइंड क्लास होता है. राज वर्मा हैड टेकन रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ स्पीचेस. Coordinate properly, Raj Verma. Since you are taking care of speeches, I want some people for speech, and Bipin, I want some people for storytelling, and Rohit, I want some people for knowledge sharing. If you have taken up responsibility, do
Okay,
justice.
ma'am. No,
Yeah.
ignore, ma'am. This is first day, ma'am. From the next day, we will take care of it.
Okay. चलो बताओ. Yes, start.
Yes, ma'am. Today I'm going to speak on my favorite day, Sunday.
Okay.
My favorite day is Sunday because it's a holiday for me. I like to wake up a bit late I like to wake up a bit late with my parents. Then I will with my I like to wake up a bit late and will have my breakfast with my parents. Then I will play a game with my friends in my house.
Why are you talking about in future tense? आप क्या करते हैं? योर फेवरेट डे संडे, संडे को आप क्या क्या करते हैं? फ्यूचर टेंस की
ma'am.
जरूरत नहीं है इसमें, आई विल क्यों लगा रहे हैं? ओके, आई गेट अप लेट इन द मॉर्निंग, देन आई हैव ब्रेकफास्ट विथ माय पेरेंट्स, देन आई डू दिस, देन आई
Yeah.
डू दैट। विल कहाँ से
Yes.
आएगा? ठीक है, बोलो।
Okay, ma'am. In my house, my friend sometimes he helps me mm, in doing some interesting activities. By this time, my mom will cook. Oh, sorry, my mom will cook my favorite dishes for me. I enjoy a lot. I will. I'm doing. I'm in evening. Uh, in evening, I'm going to market and buy vegetables and other items. Then I will have my dinner in night.
आई विल नॉट हैव माई डिनर एट नाइट, विल नहीं होगा इसमें। आप करते हैं, जाते हैं, सोते हैं,
And
खाते हैं, खेलते हैं।
yes, ma'am.
प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस,
Yes, ma'am.
प्रेजेंट
Bed
परफेक्ट।
and go to bed early so I can go to next day coaching on time. That's all.
चलिए, ट्राई टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर टेंस।
Okay.
यस, राज वर्मा, वेयर आर यू?
Yes, ma'am.
एंड स्वाति गुप्ता, आप भी कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट बने थे ना, कोऑर्डिनेटर वोकैबुलरी के लिए या क्विज के लिए, आपने कुछ कहा था। यस, राज वर्मा, कम ऑन।
Yeah, ma'am, I speech.
ओके, अच्छा, स्पीच तुम्हारा था, चलो। एंड राज वर्मा का क्या था फिर, जीडी था क्या?
No, ma'am. Speech था ma'am.
नहीं, दो लोग स्पीच को दे तो नहीं हो गए, देयर विल बी वन पर्सन फॉर स्पीच ओनली।
हम दो चीज कोऑर्डिनेट करना चाहते हैं, क्विज नॉट अंतराक्षी लाइक, एंड देन वन इज नॉलेज शेयरिंग।
एक काम करिए, ये सब आप एक फाइल बनाइए, डॉक्यूमेंटेड करिए, डॉक्यूमेंट करके अपने पास रखिए, किसको हमको बुलवाना है, किसको क्या करवाना है। यू शुड कम प्रिपेयर्ड। ईच कोऑर्डिनेटर,
मैम हम किसी को भी कॉल कर सकते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए,
हाँ
2 मिनट
हाँ
आके
हाँ, उसको पहले बताना पड़ेगा।
Firstly, you'd like to discuss
थोड़ा
it.
देर
Then
पहले बता
leave
सकता
it.
हूँ।
तो आपको डिस्कस करने के लिए कौन काम मना किया है? यू डिस्कस दिस इन क्लास। आप
Yeah.
अगर अब मैंने कहा 3 को आपको देना है, जैसे आपने शेयर किया नॉलेज या विपिन ने स्टोरी बनाया है, तो या इफ यू कोऑर्डिनेटिंग स्टोरी टेलिंग, एटलीस्ट 3 पर्सन शुड टेल अ स्टोरी। वो 3% आप सडनली मत बोलिए, उनको पहले से बोल के रखिए,
Yes, ma'am.
ताकि वो प्रिपेयर्ड होकर के आएंगे ना। और सडनली आप किसी को बोलेंगे तो कोई भी घबरा जाएगा।
बट मैम आप भी सबको बता देना दीजिए कि मतलब सब लोग सब चीज के लिए तैयार हो क्या है,
हाँ,
मतलब जिसका जिस चीज
अगर
में मन हो उसमें तैयार हो के खुद ही अपना हैंड करके बताना स्टार्ट
इतने सारे कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं आपकी क्लास में, और आप उन लोगों को बताइए कि मुझे क्या करना है।
क्या करना है।
एंड एवरी कोऑर्डिनेटर शुड मोटिवेट एटलीस्ट 3 पर्सन। एक तो वो खुद बोल रहे हैं, 2 पर्सन मोर टू
Okay,
बी
ma'am.
इंक्लूडेड इन योर टीम, तभी आपका टीम वर्क होगा। ठीक है, अगले
Okay,
क्लास
ma'am.
में
Yes,
ऐसा
ma'am.
करिए। समझ गए ना आप?
Take care in the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
और राज वर्मा, आपका क्या है आज? गुप्ता, स्वाति गुप्ता, आपका क्या है?
Speech, ma'am.
चलिए, राज वर्मा बताइए, हाउ यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड योरसेल्फ फॉर टुडे?
Ma'am, speech. I would, respected man and my dear friends, I would like to present views on development of Bihar. I can see many more development in Bihar 2030. I can see lots of development with education. In recent year, Nitish Kumar government has made lots of improvement of the field of education. If at the same pace by the 2030, Bihar will be the full literacy. A sharp increase in the literacy of new education policy play a big role in the economic survey of state to the state is working mission of statewide education are connecting for all people. Unemployment will go down. Thank you, ma'am.
तुम कहाँ हो? तुम कॉलेज आ गए हो क्या?
यस मैम।
आज तो कॉलेज आना मना था तुम लोग को।
मैम कुछ काम था हमको कॉलेज से, इसलिए आना पड़ा।
चलिए ठीक है। यस गुप्ता, आपका क्या है? तो आपने स्पीच दिया है, और बाकी आपका टीम कहाँ है? कम से कम 2 और होना चाहिए ना।
मैम कोई प्रिपेयर नहीं है, पूछने
किसी
के
को
बाद
कोई
बोला
इन्फॉर्म
लोग।
नहीं किया मैम, कोऑर्डिनेटर किसी को
Ma'am,
इन्फॉर्म नहीं
I
किया।
have, I have, ma'am, I have one person, Hariom, who want to speak something on the about the hospitals.
अच्छा, बेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर का भी प्राइज मिलता है आप लोगों को। जो सबसे अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा है, जो सबसे अच्छा टीम वर्क कर रहा है, ही विल बी गेटिंग अ प्राइज। अब ये मत कहिएगा मेरे पास हमको आ गए कि किसी ने बात मानी नहीं। नहीं मानी तो हमको आप बताइए ना। हाँ चलिए, हरिओम बताइए। वो यू आर द कोऑर्डिनेटर, प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट हरिओम इज गोइंग टू डू।
First of all, thank you for it. Good evening, good morning, everyone. My name is Hariom Kumar. I would like to present my view on hospital. Hospitals are one of the important pillar of any society. We go to hospital when we are ill. There are many doctors in hospital. They treat the patient. There are also many nurses. They look after the patient. Uh, they, um, some patients have a menial problem. They take medicine and go. Some patients are admitted in hospital. They have a serious problem. The doctor look after them. Uh, there are many room in hospital. Uh, there are uh, there are cabin for all doctors. The hospital is kept very clean. Some hospitals have their own medical store. The patient can buy medicine from there. The patient are taken care of any of in the hospital. Thank you, ma'am.
So I hope you understand how this team will work. And from the next class, I want participation. सबसे पहले तो encourage others to keep their cameras on. और जितने भी लोग कैमराज ऑफ करके बैठे हुए हैं, वो लोग तो ऑटोमेटिकली आज एब्सेंट माने जाएंगे। और कोऑर्डिनेटर बंद करके कैमरा ऑफ करके बैठे हुए, कोई फायदा नहीं क्लास में आने से। अब बाहर ही रहो तुम लोग।
Ma'am, I have one person also.
हाँ यस, प्लीज
His name
इंट्रोड्यूस।
is Kusbu. You want to share knowledge about vocab?
सबसे पहले
Share
आप
some
बोलिए,
vocab.
यू आर द कोऑर्डिनेटर, योर टीम मेंबर्स
Hello, Kusbu.
शुड कीप द कैमराज ऑन, वरना
Please speak something.
मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी क्लास से। क्लास में आने से कोई फायदा नहीं जब कैमरा आपका ऑफ रहता है।
Kusbu, where are you?
खुशबू तो है नहीं,
है।
तो मुझे क्या मतलब, कैमरा ऑफ है।
मैम ऑन है।
She's on.
अभी ऑन कियो तो मैं आपसे ऐसे भी एब्सेंट हो तुम्हारे।
मैम ऑन था मेरा पहले से।
तो बंद क्यों किया?
बंद कहाँ है मैम, ऑन है।
चलिए रोहित, आपको कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं।
She want to share vocab, some vocab.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and everyone. I would like to share some vocabs. The first word is appropriate. मतलब appropriate means that कोई भी एक सही meaning, and appreciate मतलब किसी को मतलब आगे बढ़ने के लिए मतलब उसको बोलना कि you can do it. And approve means किसी भी काम को फाइनली अप्रूव कर देना कि ये काम हो सकता है, फाइनलाइज करना। आर्ग्यूमेंट मतलब
एक
बहस
vocab
करना।
कम से कम 2-3 बार बताओ जिससे कि सबको पता चले।
with a sentence.
With the not sentence.
If I have any
If you
problem,
try,
then
then
You can share the screen. You can you can prepare this. You can share the screen and
one
write.
word twice. क्योंकि सबको ये लिख सके या फिर ध्यान में ला सके।
आप स्क्रीन शेयर करिए, आप कुछ प्रिपेयर करिए पहले से। वोकैबुलरी अगर आपको 5 भी देना है तो 5 रिटन होना चाहिए, so that people can see the meaning, people can see whether it is noun or pronoun or what, parts of speech होना चाहिए, प्लस सैम्पल सेंटेंस होना चाहिए। वोकैब का मतलब होता है ऐसे थोड़ी कि मैंने कुछ बता दिया बच्चा समझ गया, ठीक है। कंप्लीट नॉलेज शुड बी देयर।
Okay, ma'am, I will try next time.
दूसरी बात, आप क्लास कर रहे होते हैं तो अगल बगल के लोग ताक रहे हैं, झांक रहे हैं, ऐसा दिखा अगर तो हम रिमूव कर देंगे। क्लास को क्लास रहने दीजिए। ये एक्टिविटी कराया जा रहा है आपको, और आप लोग की डिमांड से कराया जा रहा है। स्टूडेंट्स का डिमांड था कि some activity has to be taken place, so that is why this activity is being given. इसका प्रॉपर यूज करना है, नहीं करना है तो फिर जो नहीं करेंगे वो खुद सफर करेंगे, जो करेंगे वो अपने आप को आगे देखेंगे, राइट। तो चलिए, you're getting a feel of what this club is all about. So participate, coordinate, and it should be a teamwork. I can include 2 to 3 activities in 1 hour. ठीक है, ज्यादा तो नहीं ले सकते, हाँ, लेकिन 2-3 एक्टिविटी हम इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं। चलिए, that's it for today. Now I want, before I leave, I want the feedback of the coordinators जो आज एक्टिव थे। रोहित एंड और कौन कौन थे कोऑर्डिनेटर? विपिन, आपने तो किसी को रोपिन नहीं किया आपने। तो हाउ डू यू फील, डू यू थिंक this type of class will be helpful for you in future?
बिल्कुल मैम,
बोलिए।
Yes, ma'am. This is very helpful for us, ma'am. By doing this, we can improve our communication skills and communication skills and body language. But in not, ma'am, offline class. But it will be better when we will do in. Sorry, ma'am. In online class, it will be not going to be better. But when we will in offline class, it will be better for all the students. So I request all the students to come in offline class, ma'am.
हाँ, अब जो भी गिवन अपॉर्चुनिटी है, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, coordinate, help, help each other, motivate each other, inspire each other, and make a strong team, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it for today.
Prepared something to speak in the classroom.
Okay, but for that you have to coordinate and tell them beforehand, because this is happening just once a week, only on Friday. So you have got at least so many days to prepare. आज अगर बता देते हो आप तो आपको 1 week है प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, 6 days है। तो चलिए, ओके,
थैंक यू मैम।